seen and unseen, covered me, protected me, provided all I need. You never left me, carried me through safely, sheltered me under your wings. No place I'd rather be. I can't act like I made it on my own. Without your love, I would be dead and gone.
You kept me.
Yes, you have.
Danger seen and unseen. Protected me. Provided all I need.
You never
left me. Carried me through safely. Sheltered me under your wings. No place I'd rather be.
I can't
Made it on my own.
without your love.
Without your love, I would be dead and gone.
Now unto him who is able to keep me. You are the keeper. You keep on keeping me. Who is able to keep me? You are the keeper.
Keep on keeping me.
Thank you, Lord, you kept me. Thank you, Lord, you kept me. Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
Just gotta pause for a minute and let you know how much I appreciate all you've done.
You kept me.
Things were going crazy and my life was in disarray.
You kept me.
And just when I was ready to throw in the towel, Lord, you were there all the time, every time. So I want to tell you thank you because you kept my family,
You kept my family.
you kept my friends,
You kept my friends.
you kept my mind,
You kept my mind.
you saved me again.
Saved me.
When I thought it was all over,
Thought it was over.
thought it was all ending, yeah. You reached way down,
Reached out your hand.
then you saved me again.
Saved me.
Thank you, Lord.
You, Lord.
You kept me.
You kept me.
I just paused to tell you thank you.
Thank you, Lord.
Lord and Lord, I gotta tell you thank you. Thank you, Lord.
You kept me.
You made ways out of no way. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I gotta tell you thank you. I appreciate all you done. I appreciate the ways you made. Everything, everything. You never left me, carried me through safely, sheltered me under your wings. No place I'd rather be. You kept me. I thank thank you for it all. The good, bad, the ugly, great and small. The times of victory and when I fall. I'm so grateful that I'm still standing tall. I thank you for my tears. The pain helped me overcome my fears. You've been good to me down throughout the years. It's a miracle that I'm still standing